Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Fotor app in iPhone. Fotor is a powerful and user-friendly photo editing and design app available on the iPhone. It allows users to edit photos, create collages and designs, leverage AI features as well. Fotor is suitable for both beginners and experienced designers. So in order to download and install, you need to open your iPhone and open to your app store. And after that, on the bottom there's a search bar. Tap on the search and type down Fotor and search for it. Over here, you can look for the Fotor AI photo editor, select there and tap on the get. Over here, you need to double click to install it and simply authenticate using your Face ID, Touch ID or the Apple ID password and wait for the app to download and install. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. And that is it. Once installed, Fotor gives you access to the creative suite for the photo editing, design and AI enhancement, all on your iPhone, making it easy to create polished visuals. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down. We will reach out to you very soon.